Everyone suddenly switching to IEMs. Are they really that good? Or is it just another hype wave? I decided to ditch my 5-year-old HyperX Cloud Alpha, which is considered as GOAT by many, just to find out. Spoiler alert, I am genuinely impressed. Stick around till the end because I'll be recommending some of the best IEM for every budget, ranging from 1000 to 10,000. Just a quick heads up before we dive in. This review is from a gamer's perspective, but I'll also touch on how they perform in multimedia and music. Let's start with the basics. What are IEMs and how are they different from regular earphones? But before that, you need to understand what are the drivers. Drivers are tiny speakers placed inside earpiece that convert electrical signal into sound. Most regular earphones just have 1 or 2 drivers to keep things lightweight so they don't fall out of your ears. But IEM, they can have 18 drivers inside them. Sounds insane, right? Since each driver is individually responsible for different frequencies, mids, highs and lows, it makes sound much more detailed, much more layered and way more immersive. Now of course, with more driver comes more weight, but IEMs are worn in a way that uses the ear for support, distributing weight better than traditional earphones. The IEM I have been using is the Truthear X Crinacle ZERO Red, and they cost around 4300 Indian rupees. I've been using them for past 2 to 3 months and I'll be calling them Red for the sake of this video. So how are they any different from my previous headphones? In this summer heat, my headphones became a torture device. My ears would sweat, sometimes get so warm I had to take breaks mid-game just to cool them off. And now, after 2 months of using these IEMs, even the thought of going back to my previous headphones feels like I'm placing a literal brick on top of my head. The weight difference is just massive. Also, with IEM, there won't be any headphone hair or headphone dents for the rest of your life. Such a bonus, right? That said, headphones usually come with individual microphone with them. So, if you don't have a separate mic just like I have here, you might wanna stick with your headphones for a while. Sound-wise, my HyperX headphones now feel completely flat and lifeless, especially for music. They were tuned for gaming, but multimedia ain't any good. Now I know they weren't tuned for multimedia consumption in the first place, but let's not forget, we are comparing them with IEM here. And boy oh boy, with these IEMs, my game has changed completely. The IEM came in excellent packaging with a generous set of silicone and foam ear tips to suit different ear sizes. The foam tips specially offer nearly complete isolation. They made me feel deaf to the world around me, in the best way possible. Now let's talk about sound. These IEMs feature dual dynamic driver, a 10mm driver for bass and a 7.8mm one for mids and highs. The bass is punchy and deep without mudding the mids. The mids and vocals come through clean and natural. The treble is so smooth, no sharpness, no fatigue. For music and multimedia, they are one of the best in this price range. Now, to the real reason I got them for: gaming. The first time I plugged them in, it felt like I'd just upgraded my game's entire audio engine. I started hearing things I had never noticed before. Ambient sounds, echo trails, distant footsteps. Thanks to the dual driver setup, they offer precise imaging and separations. Footsteps in Valorant, clear. Reload sounds in CSGO, spot on. Enemies' location in PUBG, it was so directionally accurate, I can even predict at which floor the enemy was standing at. I've used them for even 12 hours gaming marathons and not for even once did I feel ear fatigue or discomfort. They are comfortable, lightweight and offer great passive noise isolation. No distractions at all. Now, just like any other piece of tech, there is slight adjustment period. Your ears might need few days getting used to the fit, but once they do, it's golden. They aren't just for music. Reds let you hear every footstep, every gun reload sound, every win. It's just that they can't change your kismat. Now I get it, not everyone has the same budget. So here's a simple chart I made showing the best IEMs for gaming categorized from 1000 to 10,000. Pause the screen, find your budget and pick what suits you the best. I hope this video helped you decide whether IEMs deserve a place in your gaming setup. And please mention in the comments about your current audio gear. I would love to know what you're using. And if you're switching to the IEMs, welcome to the club. Now thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy gaming.